No, they are entertainers, but they are worshippers. Judith Babirye is a worshipper. She came and hit the airwaves. Nationally, internationally, globally. I went to visit a Catholic in the United Kingdom, a Catholic Uganda.
That person was playing Judith Babirye's worship. She was playing that song. She was playing that song. That person was a Catholic.
There was speed in her music. And now, even though you want to capitalize on her mistake, for us we are still singing her music. We are still singing her music. That is the power of worship.
Even if you say you don't like her, even if you say you hate her, even if you say she's wrong, Pastor Jessica will come in singing that That is the power of worship. That is the power of worship. Worship gives you speed. And you overtake everyone who went ahead of you. And you remain there. And you remain there. You remain there. Probably you may be here and you're already offended. They are righteous and holy singers. That one was a worshipper. She was a worshipper, and she still is a worshipper, because we still sing her songs in worship. Somebody who sings about the throne, sings about how the heaven is. Brethren, you don't mess with that one. You don't mess with that one. Forget about this. Go down, up, down, up, down. But somebody who say, I saw the throne, I saw the angels. You don't play with that person. Today, worship is bringing speed. Is bringing speed. Is bringing speed. Some people are going to be offended. They don't know the relationship you have with your God. They will say, it seems that one cheated. It seems that one stole something. What they don't know, if you're not with them, you are busy worshiping. You are busy worshiping. You're busy worshiping.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.